Hey, happy Saturday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Well, today on Retro Saturday, I want to do an update about the ongoing build for the Pink PC. The video card came in yesterday. This is one of those Asurix, A-I-S-U-R-I-X, Chinese-made RX 590s, 8 gig, 256-bit interface. PCI Express 3.0 video cards. They're brand new. I'd seen these come out, maybe almost a year ago or so. Seen a couple of them come through the shop where people had them installed, and finally I was like, well, I was looking for a new GPU. I didn't want to necessarily go use GPU on this one, but I didn't want to, there's no reason to spend a ton of money on a PCI Express 3.0 card, especially since I wanted brand new on it. But this one installed like a dream. It's benchmarking about 55 or so frames per second. Well, it does 55 frames per second in 1080p. So it's respectable. It can play a game. It can render. It can do 3D modeling. And I'm still waiting for the processor. So this is benchmarking even with the crappy dual core that's in there. I'm still waiting for the 10600K i5 coming in. And that should be in Monday, so this one should be ready and out for sale Tuesday. It's going to be $650 plus tax, 90-day hardware warranty. It's got 32 gigs of DDR4 in it. Like I say, a new 590 video card in it. And it's been in a new case. Everything tests just fine. There's also a 1 terabyte Samsung 990 EVO Plus M.2, and then there's a 2 terabyte storage drive in it as well. So it's outfitted, ready to take care of work or school, play a few games, and do a little work if you need to. Like I say, it should be ready Tuesday and out for sale. We've got some other specials on Windows 11 PCs these days. They start at $350 and go all the way to $850. Come on by and see us. We're Jets PC, 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121. And we're going to fall winter hours come Tuesday. So we'll be open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 6 till springtime. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. And y'all have a good afternoon and a good weekend.